Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it, drink and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with the fire. Fire. Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with the fire. It's a vibe, they a dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world, concrete, how it go. All day, she only doing what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Yeah, that day coming for sure.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vloggy vlog. Today is Friday, March 21st. I just went, I got my car washed. As you guys saw, this is a car wash that like multiple guys were on the car. Some do inside, some do outside, so it like literally took about 10 minutes or less. And the inside is clean, like they vacuum the inside, clean down the inside, the dashboard, everything, and do the tires and the outside. Yeah, my car needed a wash, and since it's snow and stuff, I haven't cleaned my car, so I'm like, you know what, it's time to give it a clean. So the sticker, the butterfly sticker in the Barbados colors that you saw me put on the car, I actually bought that when I was in Barbados. I just wanted like a souvenir, something to put on my car. Yes, I have the Barbados boxing gloves. Let me show you guys. I have the Barbados boxing gloves. Yeah. However, I also wanted something else. So I got that when I went to Brighton Market in Barbados. I saw that and I was like, oh, this is cute. This would look good on my car. I mean, you could put it on your laptop. You could put it anywhere, water bottle, anything. But it was like, oh, you're just going to put it on my car. So yeah, so today is Friday, March 21st. As I mentioned, I'm going with my friend Charisma. You guys haven't met her yet. We're going downtown to studio, I think it's called Studiobyu. It's this self-portrait studio where you can go and take your own photos. So her birthday is tomorrow, so she's going down to do a little photo shoot, and I'm going with her. So I'm excited for that because I also want to do a photo shoot for my birthday. So this would give me a chance to see how the photo shoot, how the studio works and everything. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing today, and then tomorrow is her actual birthday. We will be going to a restaurant for dinner. So that's my weekend plans right there. Bit excited. So I'm here now to pick her up, and then we're gonna head downtown. So I will see you guys when we get to the studio.
I called you up, but you weren't there, and I was broken hearted.
Baby, you was loud, slide, slow. And I'm with you, everything low. Coming with that.
We just arrived at Studiobyu. This is my friend Charisma. You guys haven't met her, so yeah. Tomorrow is her birthday girl. So we're about to do the photo shoot. So we'll see how it goes. But in here is nice. The aesthetics and everything is nice.
This world, concrete, how it go. All day, she only doing what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming to show. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody no sympathy. I take away the pain, I give you everything. I just wanna see you when you wanna see you.
I touch you, I tell you, I won't waste your time, I turn it off, just so I can tell you, I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't.
Hello, you can see me.
At least you can see.
So you can see.
As you pause it.
That's good. Like that.
And you can change in the room if you want. The room is private.
Right, I was just gonna
So,
ask that.
nothing serious. So have a good time, and let me know if you have any questions.
Is there a certain amount of photos that can be taken?
It doesn't matter. Within 60, we're gonna send you all.
Okay.
And yeah, as long as you keep a little pace, it should be good. And this is good for full body, but in case you want to do some close-up or half body shot, call me. I will adjust the setting for you really quick. We can make a great zoom and angle change, height change, everything is possible. And what you can do yourself without touching camera is adjusting the height of the camera. So if you want to, you can always adjust the height of the camera move up or down, I just move it back to the original height. Yes. It's good for almost everybody.
Okay.
Alright, have a good time.
Thank you. She having a blast.
It was all a dream, just a new girl on the scene. Got your face on magazines. How it feels is killing me. Body you care to see. Plenty fire in my eyes, just the way I like to be. Will I stay, will I leave? I can figure out myself when I'm distant in my world. I can hold on to the past and be absolutely mad, but I go up the streets just searching for my wings. If you know where I'll find it, I could take a limousine just for all burning, burning and burning, burning, burning and burning, burning, burning and burning, burning, burning and burning. Don't you rush into these gates? These gates will kill you. Don't let them decide. Sweet words are not true. Real love isn't blind, and you can bet on it. Yeah, you can bet on it. Burning, burning.
Good afternoon, guys. Well, good evening, guys. I'm getting ready for dinner at a restaurant. So you not remember how I went to the studio studio photo shoot place yesterday for Charisma's birthday. So today is her birthday and she's having a dinner at the one restaurant downtown Toronto. I think it's in Yorkville. So I'm getting ready now to go down to the restaurant. We'll have to go to get Charisma and then we're gonna head to the restaurant. So I'm just trying to do quick little makeup. When I done, if I have time, I'll show you guys the outfit. But basically what I'm wearing, I got this from Amazon. But when I got the packaging, it says Etalu Shein. So since when Amazon sells Shein products, so it's from Amazon, but it's a Shein dress. So I'm gonna get ready quickly because I'm running behind time, and then I'll either see you guys at the restaurant or when I show you guys what I'm wearing, if I have enough time. But it's nothing fancy, it's just simple. Just this sweater dress, a pair of black boots, my black jacket, and that's it. So this is the finished look. Just this dress I mentioned, I got it from Amazon, and these boots. I got these, oh shoot. Yeah, so good. I got these boots from Payless like years ago. And then this black jacket here. It's a bit fuzzy though, but anyways, I tried to clean it off, but I don't have time. But yeah, this is the look for tonight. The Barrington, is that good? Is it?
It's very sweet. That one is sweet. If that's what you like.
So if you had to choose between the Barrington and the Oompa Loompa,
I prefer the Oompa Loompa just because it's less sweet. It's more fruity, whereas the Barrington and ginger beer is pretty sweet and grenadine. They're all good flavors, but the sweetness level is.
I like sweet, so I will do the Barrington.
Okay.
Yeah. Connecticut. tastes real good, yo.
Food spots on your YouTube channel?
Yeah, I just love basically whatever I do. If I travel or birthday girl. Here's the birthday girl. Oh, we should all do a cheers.
You want to do a boomerang? Content creator.
If you all want a picture, let me know. I will take a picture. Yo.
That would be lovely.
Here, drinking for these.
Don't worry, nobody will see that.
Never see that.
It's nice and soft.
I cannot eat that. I real basic.
Maybe you will like it. Maybe you will
With my
like
food,
it.
I basic. My husband, he will eat.
I like duck pate too. Yeah.
The pate, which is the blood. I keep saying that because
I was gonna. It's duck blood for you.
because it had a time me and my husband went out to eat and he ordered this. We went to some Korean restaurant. He ordered this thing, and it was like these like red like they're not like that but like cut like thinner. And he was eating it. He was like, "This tastes funny. I can't eat this though." And he was trying to eat it. Then when he called the woman, I asked him, "What's this red thing?" She was like, "Duck blood." So he was like, "I just eat duck blood." So I didn't know that in my head. So that's why I keep saying like, "That's what you eat."
So for you, it's just chicken, fish,
Burgers, pasta, just the old regular.
You know, my best friend back home, burgers is it. Once you see a burger on the menu, that's it. That's it.
Yeah, I would eat anything.
Same.
I'm not really a big seafood person, but
I love it. A lot of people keep saying that.
it tastes like a chicken wing.
Frog legs.
Frog legs. You just drop
I
it in,
hate frog
drop it in your
in real
oil,
life.
fry it,
I ain't
eat it.
eating it.
It tastes just like chicken. Yeah.
What is that thing for the truffle fries? The black thing is the truffle. Truffle is the black.
Yeah.
It grows underground too. In the earth. Yeah. Truffle is expensive.
They can be, but the more premium ones is the
Okay. Usually not at go place. Not at go place like this. Busting. It tastes so good.
yeah, he's great. Not me in the back.
So I'm supposed to be heavy.